Hello, this is Missy Grace. It's Wednesday again. So today I'd like to talk to you about how you're getting on to the vegetarian journey. Why and what is the purpose? And maybe you think it's a good idea because you've heard so many people talking about the Meatless Monday and you like to start with that. Or maybe you have some health reason that you want to just have the plant-based diet from now on. Or it could be just your family, your children, or your partner decided they want to have a change of life and they want to have something more healthy, and so you are going to show your love and care by cooking more vegetarian food for them, whether it's 1 day a week, 2 days a week, or 3 days a week, or you're doing it 5 days a week and then only have something else during the weekend. That's fine too, isn't it? But the reason is you want to ask why you're doing it. What is the purpose? Are you happy to do that? Is there anything that holds you back? Is there anything that you really wanted to find a way to do it differently? Not looking at what you don't have, but you're looking at what you have and what you're going to do with that. Maybe you're thinking, okay, I'm not going to buy any meat, or the spend used to be spending the money on the very expensive steak or lamb chops. Now you can use the money to buy something that you really love, like chocolate, right? And so the transition to the vegetarian life doesn't have to be really harsh, or you do it straight away and like a cold cut sort of thing. You don't really have to do that. You can actually do it easily, step by step, and you can actually give it a bit more time for you to transition into this new lifestyle. The transformation can be enjoyable, doesn't have to be something that will make you feel hard or difficult to do. All right, so if you like what I'm talking about, or you have some other comments that you'd like to share, please comment below. Or I know some people don't like to talk about it in the Facebook arena. That's okay. There's other way to do it too. You can email me. Yes, I read my emails from all of my trusted friends. So my email address is missygrace@gmail.com. That's MISSEY Grace@gmail.com. And I'd love to hear from you.